Welcome to inhow. Hello, and welcome to this video on how to become a millionaire. Many of us dream of achieving financial freedom and becoming a millionaire, but it can seem like an unattainable goal. In this video, we'll explore some practical steps you can take to increase your chances of achieving that goal. Step 1. The power of compound interest. One of the most important concepts to understand when it comes to building wealth is the power of compound interest. Compound interest is the interest earned on both the principal amount and any accumulated interest. It can turn a small investment into a substantial sum over time. For example, if you invest $1,000 at an annual interest rate of 8%, and you don't touch the money for 20 years, you'll end up with more than $4,600. That's the power of compound interest. The longer you leave your money invested, the more it can grow. Step 2. Save and invest early. To take advantage of compound interest, it's important to start saving and investing as early as possible. Even small amounts can add up over time. If you start investing just $100 a month at age 25, and earn an average annual return of 8%, you could have over $340,000 by age 65. Step 3. Live below your means. Another important step in becoming a millionaire is to live below your means. That means spending less than you earn and saving the rest. It's important to avoid lifestyle inflation, where you increase your spending as your income increases. Instead, try to keep your expenses low and save or invest the difference. Step 4. Maximize your income. One way to increase your ability to save and invest is to maximize your income. Look for opportunities to earn more money, whether it's through a higher paying job, a side hustle, or starting your own business. It's also important to negotiate your salary and seek out opportunities for career advancement. Step 5. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself is another important step in becoming a millionaire. That might mean going back to school to earn a degree or certification, taking courses to learn new skills, or attending conferences or networking events to expand your knowledge and connections. Investing in yourself can lead to new opportunities and higher earning potential. Step 6. Diversify your investments. When it comes to investing, it's important to diversify your portfolio. That means spreading your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Diversification helps reduce risk and can lead to more stable returns over time. Step 7. Manage your debt. Managing your debt is another important step in becoming a millionaire. High levels of debt can eat away at your income and limit your ability to save and invest. It's important to pay off high-interest debt, such as credit card debt, as quickly as possible. It's also important to avoid taking on new debt, unless it's for a worthwhile investment, such as buying a home or starting a business. Step 8. Take calculated risks. Becoming a millionaire often requires taking some calculated risks. That might mean starting your own business, investing in a new market, or taking on a new challenge. It's important to do your research and weigh the risks and rewards before making any major decisions. Step 9. Stay focused and patient. Finally, becoming a millionaire requires patience and focus. It's important to stay disciplined in your savings and investment strategy, even when the market is volatile. It's also important to stay focused on your long-term goals and not get distracted by short-term fluctuations. In conclusion, becoming a millionaire is a goal that's within reach for many of us. By saving and investing early, living below your means, maximizing your income, investing in yourself, diversifying your investments, managing your debt, taking calculated risks, and staying patient and focused, you can increase your chances of achieving financial freedom and becoming a millionaire. Remember, the journey to becoming a millionaire is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, discipline, and hard work. But with the right mindset and strategy, you can achieve your financial goals and live the life you've always dreamed of. And if you're ready to take control of your financial future and become a millionaire, then you won't want to miss out on the game-changing resources available through the link in the video's description. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content on personal finance and wealth building.